Since almost 40 years, we are producing UPVC window profiles. With 27 employees and a strong will to write a success story, Aluplast was founded 1982. Still today, Aluplast is a family company and 100% owned by the family sites. Meanwhile, my brother Patrick and I successfully have taken over the company from our father. The circle of management has been expanded with internal and external know-how and expertise. With a clear vision, we developed from a local German supplier to a global player. Today, we are one of the major manufacturers in the industry. With more than 20 subsidiaries worldwide and over 1,750 employees, we develop, produce and distribute our products. We achieve a turnover over 360 million euros and continue to grow. Our main markets are Europe, North and Central America, as well as the Asian Pacific region. From the beginning until today, we have constantly brought innovation into the market. Aluplast repeatedly set new impulses in our industry and has developed to become innovation leader throughout the years. This is our commitment and our mission also for the future. Only together we can build the best windows and continue to grow in the future.
So very good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are, everywhere in the world. Namaskar to all our beautiful people who are attending this live right now on the WFM community and will probably watch this later. Today it's our session number, I don't know, quite a few in the last 3 months. WFM community is established October 2020. WFM magazine started in 2013. The community is a new initiative by us. My name is Amit Malhotra. I lead the community as a founder, co-founder with my beautiful team who have been working hard to get people together, to get a perspective on what's happening in the industry, to get a perspective on new faces, new people, new products, awareness. And today we have, interestingly, an unknown person in a known industry. If I'm correct to say that, let me welcome Mr. Faraz. He is now the new MD and CEO of Aluplast India. I think for most of the viewers, Aluplast is a very, very well recognized worldwide brand, family-owned business from Germany, one of the technical pioneers in the window and door for UPVC part of the business. Very well known for high quality, very well known for high price. Sometimes I feel that very well known for high price is good because you are remembered. Because the customer might say, "ये चूना सही लगा है मेरे को," तो जो चूना लगता है करके वो याद रहता है. But having said that, Faraz, first of all, welcome to this industry.
Thank you.
Welcome to this community of today. And I want to ask you a little bit before we get started. Who are you? Where are you from? जैसे वो हिंदी में पूछे करीना कपूर कौन है ये? कहाँ से? So let me know a little bit more there.
Well, I am a very small fish in the entire market, and thank you for welcoming me to this wonderful industry of doors and windows. And as far as who am I come from a place called Bareilly from the state of UP, Uttar Pradesh, and I have been working since last 13 years with another German enterprise. The popular name of the brand is Miller Technologies, and the company name was Low & Bunner India Private Limited. This company was primarily into technical textiles.
Okay.
And we were handling the business of textile architecture and other products which were manufactured with these technical textiles in India. Before that, I worked with different Indian companies, very, very small stints with Jindal Saw, Oriplast. I mean, that's where I started my career. It was a company into UPVC pipes. And there I started my career with, so that's a kind of a business where I was involved in extrusion, in sales. So coming back to this family-owned company of Aluplast, I mean, I took it up. I have a prior experience of working with Miller, which was primarily a family-owned company, and then it transformed into a company which was listed, where the group was listed on the London Stock Exchange. And now this company is part of the Freudenberg Group. So it has changed over a period of the last 13 years when I worked with them. And when I left, I was working as their regional head for Asia, handling countries right from Pakistan to Japan. But primarily, I was responsible for setting up the business in India for them.
Wonderful. So technically you have done work. I just learned from your previous journey that UPVC profiles of pipes was a part of your older domain.
Yes.
तो घूम फिर के आपको अल्लाह यहाँ वापस ले आया.
जी.
किसी और तरीके से ले आया, but ले आया.
Even the name of the company sound very similar. It was Oriplast, this is Eluplast.
Eluplast, right.
Only the first 3 letters have changed.
आप अपना सरनेम चेंज कर लीजिए, फराज प्लास कर दीजिए. I think that could be a good possibility. So, you know, what I wanted to ask you is ke, first of all, welcome to this industry, welcome to the community, welcome to UDMA, welcome to the whole new gang. तो अभी आपको I think couple of months have passed since you've joined the company. What
Yes.
is your perspective on the current Indian door window UPVC industry? Frankly, candid, honest. बकवास भी और सही भी.
See, coming as an outsider, when I started my journey on 1st of December with Eluplast, I treated myself more as a customer rather than a seller of doors and windows. I wanted to have that perspective from that side, and I still feel there is a lot which can be done in this industry. If you talk about metropolitan cities and even tier 2 cities in India, you have a glimpse of, you know, modern window systems being put in place, whether it is aluminum and UPVC. But when you go down the line, India is a very big country. You still see all the traditional wooden doors being put up all across the country, and this is where I see a lot of opportunity for every company to grow.
So what is your perspective about the current UPVC industry? Let's say talk about competition, talk about all the other players. 2 महीने तो बहुत कम टाइम होता है, but कुछ तो सीखा होगा आपने जो which you might want to share.
See, 2 महीने वाकई में कम टाइम है इस पर्सपेक्टिव को देखने के लिए, but I see that इसमें हर तरीके के लोग हैं. इसमें बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज भी हैं, where you have German profile manufacturers also competing, and then you have local profile manufacturers also competing in it. इसमें कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो who were in past fabricators for us or fabricators for other companies, and they have now graduated into profile manufacture. So what I see is that this industry is growing slowly and slowly. और अभी भी बहुत कुछ है इसमें करने के लिए in terms of, you know, making it a very organized industry. यहाँ पे अभी कोई standards नहीं है. There are no standards fixed for UPVC doors and windows over here. So that has to be looked into, and a lot of, you know, information as well as misinformation about UPVC doors and windows is available in the market. So this is a challenge for the industry as such. अगर मैं बाहर से आऊँ और इस चीज को इस perspective में देखूँ, so everybody, I mean, as a person who is not known to UPVC, the technical superiority of a UPVC door or a window, I would always tend to go towards aluminum or any other system, because I don't really know the functionality and the kind of benefits I get with the UPVC door or a window. And this thing, as an outsider, I feel has to be taught even to the end client, because door and window remains to be one of the most functional products.
Correct.
When it comes to building a house, and this is where everybody, including when I would build a house, I ignore and I try to, you know, सबसे आखिर में लगता है ये पेंट, सबसे आखिर में होता है, सब कुछ होता है. तो जब पैसे बचाने की बात आती है ना, तो यहीं पे आदमी सबसे ज्यादा पैसे बचाने की कोशिश करता है. कोई ये भूल जाता है कि सबसे ज्यादा फंक्शनल प्रोडक्ट अगर मेरे घर में है तो मैं रोज खोलूंगा, बंद करूंगा, मेरा दरवाजा है या मेरी खिड़की है.
मैं आपसे एक सवाल करता हूँ.
जी.
मैं आपसे सवाल करता हूँ कि आप बरेली से हैं, और बरेली में फिलहाल यूपीवीसी विंडो एंड डोर या विंडो एंड डोर की क्या स्थिति है आज की डेट में? अवेयरनेस, कंजम्पशन.
I was surprised to find that even Eluplast has a fabricator in Bareilly.
Okay, that's a good thing. Maybe that's why you joined the company. Chalo.
Yeah. So I think people who are good in business, they know that there is a big potential in that area. But अगर मैं बरेली में अपने आसपास देखूं जो लोग घर बना रहे हैं या even there are new buildings coming up in Bareilly, they hardly know about UPVC doors and windows.
तो अभी भी ट्रेडिशनल सारा वुडन एल्यूमिनियम में काम चल रहा है.
Mostly they are going with wooden or aluminum because Bareilly के आसपास you find a lot of wood market and wood is very easily available from Uttarakhand. So they still rely on wood as one of their main source of doors and windows. But aluminum has picked up quite well over there. And UPVC is something which is now very, very new for them.
So what would be your mission be in certain cases like this? Everybody knows इंडिया में पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है. हर शहर में पैसे वाले लोग रहते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
वो अच्छे प्रोडक्ट अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं. If let's say if you were to let's say make a good dent in Bareilly or Meerut, or having said that, whichever cities, what would you do? Because abhi kya hai na, everybody in the industry looks at the size which is on the current size available. So whoever comes in new tries to get into that current size rather than increasing the fold, right? Like we were talking about. So they, as per statistics, and I was talking to the Fenesta head as well as the CMO a few weeks ago, which was published on WFM community, that the industry size, UPVC has kind of captured about 15% of the current window industry in India. Would you think that is a fair number to say? Would you think you would have an answer to that question?
See, what I have learned from my colleagues over here in Eluplast, 15% is not the size that we are looking at. It's not nowhere more than 10%. But what we know is that there is a big potential out here, and a lot of surveys which tell us is that the market is going to grow very rapidly, and we see a growth of 30% in the next few years in the market.
So tell me a little bit, 30% growth is what you are anticipating for you, or you're anticipating for the industry?
We are anticipating for the entire industry. The UPVC doors and windows market will grow by 30%. And that's why, even after so much of price war and everything, and you also acknowledging that Eluplast is one of the costliest products available in the market, we still want to invest, we still want to expand, and we still want to tap the market in all the areas across India. So we are quite positive about this market.
So tell me one thing. I have been fortunate to have been to your Baroda plant when it was inaugurated. I think it was 4 or 5 years ago, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And it was neat, clean, and I remember it must be still neat, clean. I think you had 4 production lines there at that time.
Yes.
So after completing 4 years, where is it now? What's the plan for the future?
See, it's been 2 months, and right now at the moment,
I'm sorry, ज़्यादा पूछ दिया.
I mean, this is something which, yes, there are plans. I will not deny it. I mean, otherwise I would not have been here unless I would have ensured that the company wants to grow. So there are plans in place where we would like to grow. We know what trends show us that as on date, the UPVC market is still very strong in India. We had an impact because of COVID last year. I saw the numbers, but that does not mean that the market is not growing. We have come back with a very, very strong sales in the last 3 months. It is as good as what we predicted way back in 2019 for us in 2020. So the last 3 months have been really very strong with us, and we see that constant growth in this year as well. We just finished our business review meeting for entire India this afternoon, and all my regional sales manager along with Tom, who is our national manager, was here, and we were very, very confident at the end of the meeting that we will be growing at a double-digit figure this year in India. That's how we see the market. So at the moment, the concentration, you can say, is on UPVC. We still have these 3 lines and a lamination line as well. We just want to, use them in full capacity. But on the other hand, we also would like to ensure that we are always known as the company which produces the best quality of the material. Apart from that, there are few plans we will be launching, like we have recently launched our Wood X series, which is a kind of a new lamination series which looks exactly like wood, but with all the features of a UPVC door or a window.
So what's the difference with this particular series compared to the other profile laminated launched by all the other brands already?
See, it's a typical German foil. If you see,
is it still a Renolite foil?
No, it's not a Renolite foil. It's from another German company.
Okay.
And if I would like to go into a little bit more detail, it's a much stronger foil than you see normally available in the market. It comes with a 10 years warranty. Plus, it has a very different feel when you look at it. It looks exactly like a wood. So, until unless you know it's a UPVC window, you will not really realize that it's not a wooden surface.
Has it started selling already?
Yes, we already have launched it in the market. I mean, unfortunately, it happened a little earlier during the COVID period, but now we have started getting a lot and more interesting inquiries. Okay. Plus, it's a kind of a, we call it a cool color. Normally, the foils that you see over here across India have a kind of a glossiness, but this foil has a kind of a very nice, smooth, matte finish, and it suits your eye. So it's that's again coming back to that point. It looks exactly like a wood. It does not have the glossiness which you find in all the other colors. So we call it like a cool color. And I mean, if you see from the eye of an architect, the architect would always like things to be beautiful and new. And this Woodex series would prove that we can do it.
Are there any new products in the offering coming soon?
Yes, we are planning to launch some new systems in the market. And we did launch another system in the market, which is known as a Smart Slide. It is one of the best systems, sliding systems available in the market. Again, very, very costly. But then this is for the niche market. This is not for the common market.
So can you tell the audience that the reason that you're expensive is not because you want to make more profit? The reason you're expensive is because of?
The quality. Exactly.
And then there's a further question कि है white तो white ही होता है, quality में क्या फर्क है?
देखिए, white तो बहुत कुछ होता है, मतलब सारे profiles white होते हैं अगर आप देखें तो, but when you use it for a year or so, you will realize the difference between an Eluplast profile and a profile from any other manufacturer. पहले दिन सारे profiles एक से लगते हैं. When you start using them, when you see the accessories that are used, see, we are not only a profile manufacturer. That makes us very different from other profile manufacturers in the country. We provide the entire systems. We provide the accessories. We also support them in hardwares. We technically support our fabricators. And that is why you will see that the Eluplast fabricators, especially in North and South India, they provide you the finest quality of UPVC doors and windows. They are incompatible with everybody because we work with them as a partner, not as a relationship of a customer and a supplier of profiles. They are our partner. And I mean, they also love to call themselves as a part of Eluplast family. That's how this thing has been transferred to me. So they are proud to call themselves as a part of Eluplast family.
And I guess you would have met many of them during the last couple of months.
Yes, I have traveled. I've been in Delhi and meeting a couple of customers, that people you already mentioned, the name of a couple of people. I've already met them and good interaction with all of them. So I'm expecting to meet more across India, and when the COVID thing allows us, I'll move further down south and meet more customers across India.
So tell me a couple of more questions then that I'm just thinking in my mind. You are new to the industry, so let me take this privilege to welcome you to this new industry. And from today onwards, you do not feel any more new. ये मैं आपको license दिया साहब, आप welcome हो गए, आप entry हो गए. Second, what is the message that you would like to send out to your fellow I don't like the word competitors, but let's say all the complementaries in the industry, what is the message that you like to send out to them?
See, I come from a company which always believed in quality. And I also have worked with only companies which always sold the best products in the market. And my message to all my fellow colleagues across the industry is that we should constantly think of upgrading ourselves, working towards, providing the best product in the industry. Everybody sells cheap. I mean, a cheaper product can be sold everywhere, but
Correct.
there is no problem in selling a cheaper product because there's a market for selling cheaper products as well. But why not invest more in R&D? Why not invest more in systems? Why not invest more in quality and provide the best product in the market? That should be our goal. As on that, I see that the industry is a bit unorganized. We need to come on a table and set up some quality standards for profile manufacturers, for the hardware manufacturers, and as such for the fenestration industry, UPVC fenestration industry as such.
Just to add to what you're saying, for us, we are already working as UDMA and the UPVC Association to be able to create a platform for standards. We've done the guideline for manufacturers, done the guidelines for profile testing with SKZ and stuff, and that's work in progress already happening over the last 10 years. I would invite you in our next meeting so as to having a more contributory role. हम तो तरस जाते हैं उन लोगों के लिए जो contribute करना चाहें. सुनने वाले तो बहुत हैं, करने वाले बहुत कम हैं, which is a pain for any association. And last but not the least, since now that you're no longer new, given you the license, but what message would you send out to the architects and the developers listening to us today and in the future?
See, I have always enjoyed very good relations with architects and developers across India in my past company, because in that company also one of the product was related to architecture. So, and as a company in the past also, we believed in providing the right kind of knowledge to the architects and developers. For architects, it was important to understand what products or what benefit this product provides to them in the long run. Why not the traditional windows? Why this thing? Why this thing? So we were there to service them in that case. And my message to them is, with Eluplast over here, Eluplast will always work on providing the best products to the industry in India and complement them with all the technical details that they require for designing it. And for the developers also, they can be rested. They can assure themselves that if they are using Eluplast, they don't have to worry. Like you did not worry. You have not worried about using a Eluplast Windows since 2012. So it's like you use it and you can use it for ages. कहते हैं ना, महंगा रोए एक बार, सस्ता रोए बार बार.
सही बात है. I am
महंगे हैं लेकिन हम सबसे अच्छे हैं.
वो एक relative word है. सबसे अच्छे is always a subject to debate, because एक बात तो सही है, which everybody understands. सबसे सस्ता सबसे अच्छा नहीं हो सकता.
बिल्कुल.
और सबसे महंगा भी सबसे अच्छा हो सकता है. The like one of my colleagues was talking the other day कि when you buy cheap, you buy it 3 times to get it right.
Exactly.
और actually saving तो सिर्फ वो 10-15-20% की हो रही है, but 80% जो खर्च हो रहा है वो लोगों को realize नहीं हो रहा कि वो भी 80% है. 100 का 80 तो खर्च ही रहे हो, तो 100 का 100 वो actually वो चिंदीपना है. वो एक cultural aspect भी है. Not India, I think it's all over the world.
See, it's all over the world. लेकिन एक जनरल परसेप्शन इंडियन मार्केट के बारे में जो हम लोग एक गलत धारणा बना लेते हैं, वो ये है कि इंडिया में सस्ता बिकता है.
Correct.
और ये बहुत ही गलत पर्सपेक्टिव है इंडियन कस्टमर के बारे में. इंडिया में हर चीज बिकती है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग कंट्री. वी हैव अ ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन. और आज की डेट में देखिए, आप कोई कार उठा के देख लीजिए, इंडिया में हर कार बिकती है. और इसी तरीके से आप डोर्स और विंडोज इंडस्ट्री को भी देख सकते हैं.
Every type.
We sell costliest of the systems in India. We
Right.
do. I mean, in Eluplast, I have seen the costliest systems, which even sometimes Germans are surprised that, okay, India has a market. See, yes, it has a market for it. It has appetite for even the cheap one, but then you have a niche market where the customer is ready to pay for.
I had an experience where one of my friends used the alu wood windows.
Okay.
And I think it was for 2,500 rupees a square feet or something.
Okay.
And it was a house in South Delhi, 500 square yard house. where I think the guy spent over 1 crore on his windows. He could have got the same job done for about 30 odd lakhs in the highest end of UPVC. And the company who did the job is doing 10 such projects every year.
See,
And like you said, you also have the Rolls-Royce Phantom, and you also have the Alto, and you have the diversity in our country is phenomenal for an opportunity to be realized.
exactly.
So having to say that as my last question, that, in terms of being different, kind of the market understands Aluplast is different because of quality, because of these factors which are more quality oriented. What more do you plan to do going forward in the next few years of being here in Aluplast India? Let me just summarize what you said. There is less of standards, misinformation, and of course there is forward thinking, new products you're coming into place, and the fact that you are from Bareilly, you've seen that their market is still very, very nascent for UPVC. You're also saying that there is a 30% year expectation in the Indian market for windows. So that means if I tell you that around 2,500-3,000 crores is currently the size of the finished UPVC window market. So I would say another 500 to 1,000 crores gets added every year, which needs many more manufacturers or the current manufacturers to scale their facilities. So let's say, for example, if some company is doing a turnover of, let's say with the exception of Fenesta and Aparna doing a turnover of 100 crores, there is a very strong possibility of at least 10 more 100 crore companies to come every 2 years. Yeah, so that means more profile to be made at your end. You are looking at some digital marketing or this new word of online buzz and all that. What's your plan there?
See, you have heard the bullseye when you said the last words about digital marketing or online marketing. And it's right. After COVID, there has been a distinct change in the way the market is evolving. Marketing is evolving.
Right.
And it is more, it is more tilted towards, having online or systems in place where you can interact with customers. We are working on a couple of projects over here in Aluplast, and maybe in the next few months, you will see the way we are. We have a few launches in plan in the next few months, and you will see a complete shift the way we used to launch our products in the past and the way we do it now. So,
well, sir, I asked this question purposely because it pertains to what we do as a business as well. But having said that in a good way, I must only tell you, and I'm sure you know this, that the building industry has been extremely traditional in the way that we did business. Yeah. I run a few businesses within the building industry which are from the same genre. And I can tell you for a fact that the customer behavior has changed. The reach to customer, the expectation of a customer is now phygital, which is physical and digital. Yeah. And I think every building brand has to evolve into that part in the future, because impressionability, for everything, you just pick up your phone and check, right?
Yes.
I think not that you can sell a window which is different off the shelf. Maybe that day will come when standardization happens. But prior to that day, brands have to work harder in making a greater digital presence. And I think that's the same language we're speaking right now.
Exactly.
So with that, Faraz bhai, thank you very much for your time. Welcome once again. And we look forward to seeing you soon. And I will circle back with you in 6 months' time and find out what changed from this discussion to 6 months from now.
Thank you so much. Amit bhai, I am the youngest baby in this grown-up industry.
नहीं sir, आपको license मिल गया आज.
License मिल गया, पर अभी तो हूँ बच्चा ना. So I need your support.
Absolutely, sir. Always with you.
Aluplast as a company needs support of the industry at the moment. We are a good company, and we will make sure that we retain our name in the industry in the near future and grow with all your support. Thank you so much.
We look forward for having more interactions, and I would strongly advise, as we are building the community stronger on a daily basis, that you can use our platform to launch your new products and talk about the new tech, because our target is to reach to the right people. That's what we are trying to do.
Yeah, we have already, my marketing department is already in contact with the colleagues over there. So
I'm just doing my selling pitch, but that's okay. It's a part of my job.
Most welcome.
Thank you, and look forward to seeing you soon someday. And take care. Have a nice weekend, and best of luck in the market.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.